Hello everyone, it's me Aarav Sharma from Trade for Galaxy. Today I am here to do an experiment. It's about here is needed to burn things. For this experiment, we need lighter or matchstick, 2 candles, and 1 transparent jar. So let's start the experiment. First, light the 2 candles. Second, put the transparent jar in 1 candle. Now wait for a few minutes. Now we can see that the candle covered with the transparent jar has extinguished. So we know that here is needed to burn fire, but inside the transparent jar there is no air. Thank you. Have a nice day.